we're the biodiversity assessment arm, if you like, of the UN Environment Programme, and we've been partners in the Restore Plus project. And it's been a really exciting project. We're at the half point of this 5-year initiative, and it couldn't be more timely with the upcoming UN decade on ecosystem restoration. There are many challenges in achieving the global targets for ecosystem restoration. There's the challenges of the fact that many of the drivers of land degradation are still very much present in Indonesia and Brazil, so we need to deal with those still. So the challenge of upscaling the existing restoration initiatives in these countries, and there's the challenge of bringing stakeholders together around kind of a common agenda, if you like, for restoration, which can have multiple objectives for climate change mitigation, adaptation, for food security, for biodiversity. There's many different perceptions about what restoration is. So I think Restore Plus, as I said, is incredibly timely. I think we can really help meet some of these challenges. We can bring stakeholders together to actually discuss what these different objectives of restoration projects should be, and also explore some of the synergies that can be obtained through initiatives on the ground that do meet multiple objectives in a really effective way. So biodiversity is conserved, there's livelihoods are supported, carbon is pulled back out of the atmosphere. All these things are possible, but it needs really good planning. It needs the kind of technical guidance, spatial prioritization, and it needs that kind of consultation at multiple levels, from the local communities through provincial authorities up to national government level and beyond. So Restore Plus is helping to make those bridges. Its modelling work is allowing us to show what the consequences are of different policy options on restoration. So it's got a long way to go still, but it's making some really good advances, and will hopefully help meet these challenges of meeting restoration targets in Brazil and Indonesia.